Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Byake gima omwancho muligere abo getaseni gensoko nigo cyaragire cinsesa to cyabo no mugoro besto irobiri wekirano kwene kebanango koletera tora mangana mayabu na bereka gwateka kurwa chingongo iliya nenkerubo Frida
na nche nkorokwa Clinton Ondigi otara ya nyora senchira yobo ikirano mwancho muligere aiga negati ya to kwariga ntete bot kware.
We are saying any Kenyan who earns up to 50,000, we are reducing their taxes from 30% to 25%.
Umurai wense Dr. William Ruto gokore bikarana babwatani bekia magia UDA imeye nyombe nene yoborai Nairobi.
Wanyolira abayibi ba ngokagera na bare mega ngaba stima mneko na koigwa bana bakoboka barandire guya eri entangani yanse bakarugoro kokoboka kwanyara wayateye bando mochionde igatu achande kirabangina ngakimagateba
abamenye bari amakora kwemurunganiria oboyibi bwechiwaya chestima
alinkora arwara mboli ayeninga ngaya yanje ndu twanyara umwana oyo igakaire matega igaminyinga abanywete eliogo
yamateye mo gwicaniro gusira ku mwana obo asakagire konywa esumu.
Karibu sana umwancho muligere atosanga sobwamo gochaka bono iga goika omoelio gochaka amaya yebirebiga nigo to kumanyebuna akobwaterana ne serikali amana babwatani nigo mugabana bwi county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo wanararirie gochakobeka ensemo enibo hilyo komenta obonyoli bwekemelike litoke ensemeyo nabo igo komenta okorosia kwebinto buna ebikabu kurwa asekemelikyo.
Igitambo kirikyo kurengana no mugavana hamo no murikyo monene ase wizara ya MSMEs Susan Mangeni nigobono kiramente engeria guchiase abalimi bekemerikyo na gukora umuchando obwobo oremi ase nsemeyo anemona se abasae murikito Frida Kirubo na twariganira roboti rwa senchiro wikira
Asentunde ntangani bono ni gabalimi bekemerige litoke kurwase county ya Nyamira barabe nekiba kwegokeria eyemaiga yo mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Kimwomi Nyaribo oyoraririe bene kobekensemo budget elyo komenta ebirengo byobonyoli byekemerikyo okwana litkolia lero ekeraumirana na babwatani imeyo mochio Nairobi Nyaribo nigaene kebuna egetambukerekyo nigo kerarente omoeso asabalimi bekemerikyo ase okomenta engere yabo.
We are going to put money to promote this particular value chain because it's unique and the market cannot be satisfied. So we hope we team up with the national government because the aim of the national government is the same as ours, to be able to assist each other in alleviating unemployment. Although banana also, as a banana, has a lot of potential. And known to many, banana paste, meaning if we process banana to be a paste, there is a lot of demand in Europe and elsewhere for pharmaceutical industries and the food industries as a media of passing the medicine. So it's also a very big potential which you cannot satisfy.
Komenta nayo ni Nyaribo aene kiabuna negetambukero kerasonsole omuchando bwobulemeru bwemeremo anene asabasae imeye county eyo aseboigo aene kia omokia oli abekire gosomia abasae enchera barayinyorere emiremo wetera okoigeka ICT hub imeye county eyo.
You know, Nyamira, as another Kenyan county, has a problem with the youth. There is a lot of unemployment. So this is one of the opportunities which, among many, which can open up for the youth to get engaged and make money out of it. The opportunities are opening. The youth will be out of the streets. The mothers in the villages will be getting value for their efforts. And as a government, I am the first one to set up an ICT hub, county government. I'm training young people every month. Currently, I'm training 35 every month to be able to access online jobs so that even if you do not have money, you can do online jobs, save money, and start maybe producing other things like this fiber.
Omuliki omunene w'ewizara ya MSME Susan Mangeni nigaine kebuna serikali enene nigera kye kubweterana neye county chonsi eliokomenta obonyoli bw'ebimeli ao.
So this means a lot to us, especially as a government. As you know, the national government has flagged out 9 key priority value chains, and among them is textile and apparel value chain, of which the banana fiber, or even all these fibers I've seen here, being displayed here, sisal, cotton, are part of the ingredients that but what is standing out with this now new innovation that we've seen through the pilot program in Nyamira is that actually banana can become an anchor value chain in some of our counties, especially where they're going big on banana farming. So I think it's an initiative that we welcome, and as a government we're going to work with all the actors, development partners, as well as the county governments to make sure that it takes off.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.
Bemano murigito Frida Kerubo. Tuguska soroboti rondo mwanchu murigereria ya mateyemo kurwa ase bosekuru ase ekenyoro kia rogongo kegotoka ase wodi ya basibo getaurio nigo egendrete gwichandra ogosiria omwana obo omonyekaine buna Joseph Kaisa oyo hokageire gosiria obugima bwaye gwetera ase okunyo esumu egekore hekyo yakorekaneta ase ensa emo ya margoba imeyo muchubo songo ensemo emenyinkwa
Nyagosira Kaisa oyo konyogosomera lichiko ase University ya Maseno asikonya babikire emerobiri yogo chigosoana na asensemeri yokonyora amaigelio imeyeke gambero ya kisi bono nige gotebekana una nigo abete gosini yakageire kwerusia obomoyo Muriketo Dominico Nderi nekela na sensemecho nabo yogotwaliganiria ayakubwatia
Amayanda na mabira nigo bigase ne konekiwa imeyenke ye mweme kenyore kiaragonge wadi ya basbogetaire bunge ya basi county ya Kisii magayo mwana obo asirieta Kaiza Joseph Oganda ukagero konyo sumu litukoriego maragoba mega yere gotoka menyingwa atai maitie keraruete ase skuru ya Maseno University
Igago soma Maseno University igor mambia kanga kiresi mituka kwa na nere aganti mama ndo mere chibesa ngakane semester ngabwatanga mutumira chibesa kana akora ko mutumira chibesa aganti bona mama ngo ndandi ngakane mate munchencha akikora aganti nanu mai attachment yane mbusongera abwa kuti ngamate bie kaisone ni manyete ngirete kamara ko paisa mocha iga nyore simi ngwa kirku ena mbengeni mbodi kuna mama Kaisa bate bie ndayani wanyuke andi nkora arwarali mbori ayeningo ngaya yanje ndu twanyara umwana oyo igakaire matega igaminyingu abanywete ryogo ngababuri anywete ryogo bano nguchikoge guchikwana guchiororo nyagitari akandangiria kaburi ngai mamu mwa umwana oyari kabatebi ninje bakangira guchime bagante yayo umwana oyo iga twamusugurukeire lakini ndendo buguma bwaye bweri
Nalibona nguja nkumire ibirero tata mwana onde kumiro mojo korona gaki na chaga cha kondora kondwariti igacha kong'akera okwaeri.
Amatiye chanire kore kiga maiga yeta yabo kuri migwa asekonyora basemeire mwana Kaiza kobari so asenka yabo ekera bono ari guchigukora masomo ayeri chigukuru ase University ya Maseno.
Mwana konye twakuria sukuru mama mwaboni rikere gento tabwati pikende bona atigarete bosa bakemigonda oneti akiasomio mwana oyacha komokonya lakini omwana oyiga akigatosirera akio twa ego tokumeti gaki tokorera gaki na mabera ngagaki tomanyo boene bwaye gaki ne sumwanywete gaki goseningi gaki
abasaye bonsi abasaru gotere getambokero gyo kwerusia bogima ekera bono batware birengera na gosaba obokonyi bwabene korwase bali barabanene
bono ngokwanira abana basaye ekera banyorire mochando ndi bwensi baika baiboli yange baika nono mwalimu wabange ejindo nyara kubaeresa omochando oyo onye ndirika isato erese to mochando oya kangona batwamukaniti takore gekore giakorete tiganya samo bekasaka ya
akiyarenge bazakika kuskuru arenge maseni ontimente asa usira ono tukumiti toichanete amono tono kumya
asabano nigo amate yo mwana Kaiza yabo chibu asiki mwana banya tukobokore getambokere keiga asebono basabira abantu bonse kubaikange likobanga esabali yo mweri yo mwanchobo kuripoti tsinkia nambe magia nsoko tivikuru ase kinyo Kyaragonke tukagega se ward ya Basbogotare bunge ya Base County ya Kisii iritera ne Dominic Onderi Nyabuto
kore kiugo ichania kehima ekero konyoranga homoro kigwa oberi kago somerwa na Bible bae na baigo gusire mabwaye atarabaka gwikirania chindoto chaye bategana nayo na gusika bosio abamenye bekenyoro kialia makora eward ya bugia kumwensemo yebunge ya Bonchari County ya Kisii nigo besokire na kwemurungania maega yo gochandwa na bakagerwa bobo ibibechi waya cyomurero na gutigwa musunteime
bagokwana nobororo botindi nabarikia magana maega yo komentakana kwebikore ibyo kweba gwechiwa echo nabo igo gutigwa echindense nabakagerwa nigo bono chiri cyomurero nigo chikobeka amagima yabanta bange ase akongu nabo igo okubora kuburindi nigo baruro gukurira gutindi gocha ase abakagerwa abo buna nigo barachi kwimukirwa egetambukiro asama bakabo ase bono bagandri abarai wesona negatina kubakonya eri gukora humuchando yo eri tibaba kemisi buno muri kito petrol machine akwera
angene keru ndobwato bakonguga obonge chistima cha butoiru cha erire tali bono litangani eri ne tunda ya kane togo chikoboka mambi twanyora chiwaya nchiyo twanyorira abayibi ba ngokagera na bare mega ngaba stima mneko na koibwa bana bakoboka barandire guya eri entangani yanse bakarugoro kokoboka kwanyara waya teye bando mochionde igatwa chande kirabangina ngakimagateba
ebyo negati yebiro bya abamenye ba ekenyorukia alia makora wodi yabogia kumu ebunge ya Bonchari County ya Kisii maiga yogo chando asege kegetambe na bakagirwa bechi waya chinguru cyomuriro nabotigwa asumo sunte mekerima
Bamington ntobwate stima ya batonyarire manya bagotaramba kaisiko bokinto likorara
bagokwana oborobotindi nabariki maiga yo kwiwa wechi waya echo botukobokera rero nigabamenya bo baereire ogotigwa echindense chire no muriro echo chikobeka amagima y'abana asa kongu nabigo okubora kuborende nabigo ebintu bikobakonya sobugima bwabo tambe
ya nabo kaje alengange saa 7 jabo tuko karestima yaenda naligereri nasoka isiko nanyora se nande badi eogete so karana so nyomba na da maybe geogete kuruga side jinde nabo konyora either no motonyagera ngoiranere so nairana narara ekarege ke mambia nalingali gwakerwe siminga no maeta chiwaye chirusiri para mate abwa system yeto turusiti kurworo para ga moroje tinganire moinaria tingenere tokonyete andake tugoja tuasiabu ne konyete singe tinga jinda sichikabekire chikarare number 2 chi estimate nere tokonyete abana baito bagosoma none kera bairune chi assignment kurwe skuru no bakobeke mesa banyora ba borabugo babakaraki babakonya bono gone test ambwatega test yekerna test none chiwaya chiri moroche gali chisugunaine chonsi piko chibwato muriro na abana baito nguru bare skuru sai saa 7 ekera bagucharanji bono ntoma etionde tayo ntobeke tunaanza security yo montara arende oroche arabwata none waye litakonyora ya muitire
nigo baruro gukurira gutindi gochasaba kagirwabo muna nigo baracha koimukia getambukira samu bokabo
nigo abali ya nene gosege kurukia nekenene asaba nkwana bali bakagire bagenda tugutusumbwa nturinga ntwa maeti ntukagirete boni iganche nari ku request omu assistant chief na chief asibale ngweta bara na indi nao baramanya bari yabaikeire bono ngochaka turi musakuito na inda stokonyora omonto nturi kunya kumuira ime gosibona abantu baminda ase ngencho bato chandire chusi twarenga matanga bumuga konsombe mwina ali kara togocha bakatwibira chikebo mwina ali bere aya bakaire nande bakaire kebo ke mwari mondari nande rero bachire matanga nande nale rugora nande bachire nande batwibira obutuko bwa rero igom anenake kore bikore kana kera mutubwata matanga bamanyanga abantu barora matanga bone bari chinseji bacha basungura chiwaya igonche kureke na rungo yokubwatu nabo tutamoire imase ngenjo bato chande tari boigo
asibono baganira bari Weston Gati na kubakonya gukora muchando yo edioti baba kemisi
igo bono sofa abotogosaba barai governor ito plus no MCA no MP igao tole kemisi twaulirwe stima epare ne ekorukorwa ngunyauno ngumbu ya ndebo gya kumu eza banafunzi baito bagosoma bono ga ne kemisi gyo kabanda atwari ali siringa abago chaba etali asege kemisi kere no esege suntekere no bago piki chigwaye chikoru ekar twachiko korobono galiko chumuino ga igotwanyoranga ase biro byogete mbase mbakune tiwaye echo abare kurusia ase egesuntekere iga abantu baminto twasabire abaraima minto batobwatisiga kibona bangiro sengaki
Reporteria en Soko TV kurabonchari county ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin
Tukuska bosio mwancho morigereria hegati yabamenyi kurwase epale kubwatania BC ya Magwagwa division na bego ya bisio mu MCA o Magwagwa nigo baimoka no bororo botindi hase batanga egetambokero kyo mu SCC o Magwagwa ole Sinti gutanga okoremwa wepara ya county weterase ya BC yae
bakoragwa no mu MCA o Magwagwa omweske Abel Mose nigo baticha chingoro chioro bagwe echio konyora chabekirwe aroro maiga ebiragita kulima ebaleyo
umukia bokonyora hensemo yo mu SCC nigo bono utaikirana asomurikito Steven Nyarikembunde anyara kobaga kwaligania robotiro kubwati
Iberera ritindi nengusanano nigo yabaroro mega yebiragitabi county ya Nyamira ebyo byarekorema epara ya Mukarate gochia gosokera miego chenyamusi iyo egosungoka ase abisi yo mokonyi bo mo commissioner ase division ya Mawawa no bisi yo mu MCA o Mawawa amo neskuru yesanige ya maega yebiragita korema niga basaya bange akogite pare yo ase nga omokonyi bomo commissioner ase division ya Mawawa Samarieta ore Cynthia yatebekana nga nigo akana epara ye county teta sobor mo bwe serikali enene
chakari tuli ya unanzo mandawa boda boda ni ndu tumeke para tani to komya mono na ina twara kono mo musi to biamono singe twa to kore mere miya ko to sori para to we ndo mate biamono ngai di ore na chakana bor mono bwa dio ga bor mono bwango onya karu mandu bwa serikali na kya kuma kutunya sanga iga erona ro manyino bwa to konya na ro magumo na ru to ne ndenge chika bega igo nto gwanja na banta barundia twangire buno mwana boda boda ni chente ndita se gwati iga
chen kor kusenda magogo nicho manyene ase bare yetete ono kurwa una bare ya takire ko eta yonko nyanya sunko te une te kwane mondo katiaria se kisima eko yere yobono na rwani ne birange riye binge na tebilo mo MCA na otago nkonya abanta bangunereye
ese ye bega tega nene mwako muna teba obole mo bona bwa gure tuga ngeri bataitenga ndeme bwo mugakoyo ndiye kuri magwesere igambo mbere magwagwa ne pale yego savu ebinyoro bibere ekorwa Mukarate yagenda bake para Irami ekoyenda Onyamusi iyo bwazo monyengwe amono mumbere bagwetera abana inchi bamitumura epare monyeganetie mutagite tonyerosie ingirigere tokore na togotezie CC atige para ya wananchi na atigo bodi mwe serikali ebare rosigwe erinda wananchi baetere na banafunzi baende
nigo abamenyi hamono mu MCA Bwororo moske Aperi Mose yabetereria goticha chingoro chibisigisa ase pare yo ase bamoraga ebyara bokongu mo SCC oyo Mawawa
epare mo ebwendetera sigwiseine mondo ndete yo chitege no mugondo ye kegera mundu toko gendo bisi roro sana
DO igajete audumie umwananchi tari ajete amunyanyaze takomekia abana bajutuwa muguso baitu jimbago kumakuna gutambuka kwa bandu
nigo abamenyiko mo batebire ng'a guike pare yuegendere kuremwa no mukonyi bo mu commissioners division ya Mawawa nigo abwente kubwato kubure mubwo ekerono no mukito bwensoko TV konyoro bwiraneria kurwo mukonyi yore Cynthia watu omere nyasi
na ntindo che abantu baminto problem asobo no serikali kulima sheria inaniruhusu muno mwakilishi wa ile kaunti ya Nyamira ndo siki para hichi tari mochumba korosia tari national government de korosia county government Lansir county government ne pari akato korosia wananchi waite tari this is not a private road we are making yere public road
aya ni gagochi chae kera ukorimwa wechi para che county chiangiriwe ase wodi ya Mawawa bunge ya North Mugranko ekere para ya Rosi uyari omego Kianya Soro Mawawa SDM eyekorwe kanisa ya Lutheran borio betundu bari goika onyageteri eyekorwa ekona ya Mungei yagenda gochenya ikoboko sereti nabo igogoswa ase ensemo ya Bisembe echi chabekirwo moroberio namona agesaga gochi asugute SDA gochinya bwororo nabo ige pare kurwa Bisembe gocha ikamu secondary Stephen Nyerike Mbunde Ensoko TV county ya Nyamira
Maiga yegetaseni Ensoko kumulikira egekore kyabamenye bekinyoro kierigo bukinami ewodi ya Sameta mukwerero nsemo yebunge abo basi county ya Kisii wesokia eliyo kwerimira ebara na makombe wanige serikali ya county ya Kisii inse yobaraibu ayo mugabana Simba Arati yeigurekerero kyabo
Iurekerero kyabo na kubatumira hekiragita asensemeyo ikiokera chieko ene kya kubarimira epareyo inde baje gotora chinga kichinyororo asobokorari bwabo bwakirari tukobona gutumanya umurikito Wycliffe arenge
kuna simborole
nechinsa emirongo ibiri nenye chaitire maiga yabamenye bekenyero kierigo kinami ewodi ya Sameta mukwerera nsemo yebunge yabubasie county ya Kisii abo besogetie elio gochaka kwerimire bara na mabaka abo magega yo gochandika ase kegetambe
no ekabetereria tukaimuka tugasoa kurema na magoko kanyora ng'a umwesimiwa oyo minto sonye mwesimiwa oyo minto sonye tukanyora ng'a yaya igo tukora jaka mune kenyoro kukorora igo twale gosaba iga esitwa kororire iga abangina no tole na buga iga bagaka kurumambe na abangina bakororire korwe gwikieri bari konyara mwesimiwa twagosabire otoretere turakite iyo so gwanja kwao egere etokonye kwa mane bare no ere mse mabu muna konyoro kwenye kuana
bono serikali ya county ya Kisii inse obraibu ayo mugabana Paul Simba Arati bayegurekerero kyabo abu ase yatumekera gita kyacha kubarimira epara asensemeyo reko baroroberia obasombi
raya ito kanya yaletiro bokongu gaiga ekorusa meteso Kenya mokenya etokoruserio mwesimiwa Simba Arati asoko igwekerero giite kofia amen nabo igo ebintu ebinga abeiro gotokorera gaiga paka no na barai bande batari komanya ebintu ebi byagerire twatwarire gosemerio konene no kwegena nga onyencherendere rirario omonto bwekora nyare gotokonya Simba Arati
nimete ngabona tureiga omugako yo Simba Arati nere tokwachikura gwana mubwato mukwachikura watu musiro bosoku kurutwa kaibore tu kuraba bari ba kaibore ntwanya karaga connect
bago kwana no mugoko monene nigo abamenyi bensemeyo bakire bunambye mono ase serikali ya county ya Kisii kwegwekerero kyabo asobwango
timarita oyo kenyanyande koruligo igaligo ase kenyoro kyabo kinami iwangoira neri omugaka Simba ngambu ya mono etabu atie kerengo amangana ali kwaroje twakwane tigoro mwaka Simbe gabana yaito wakorira masikania manene mono sana ebintu ebinge gwatokoreire ma ebare igatoroje bono abana bache baete buya bagende sukuru buya na bangina babakobe buya chianga jiriko nyora bagonya gutandura njera bangina bagurire mpaka barosire bono njiri gocha gutanduka
samari tangol kujuli bosibori iga ninka epare mwaro chabantu bakwerera igoro ene yanke. First thing, I want to thank His Excellency Governor Simba Arati as okoigwekerero kia abantu bari go application. Esa application ye yonsi pite bu ati stima. Na ande buna mwaro chete bu ati para bante bare kweremera. Thank you Excellency asoko take step yo gotoma abantu ba okurwe county baikire gaiga nekera gitaba atoramborire para. Tunasema wewe ni two term na tubanduki.
Niko basibere buna ekere bare yura kurekuremwa ebeko morom elinde nyaka bakegwetka chinga kichonsi.
Igo twasabire nga Nyasaye tigagokonye naende ochoirane gocha igo totumira omoro mutumurega iga tobetaya kabisa ntwanya koruna ibole ntwanya korora stima ekenyoreke bono gochi Nyasaye bwanchire naende gwakorire amang'ana amaye stima tekenyora muna gocha iga nane naye kwagere twanyorie transformer toje kubekerwa amambe
nabokire korora tuinyoire bono nabanyakorora tukominyoka rito kominyoka ekira ondi nabakorora nga twaretire amagenderero ngo inyoranga kamatembi ama nanda tobekera omoro
magega yabamenyi benseme yiga yekenyero kialigo kwanya ko bagwesokia century ya bene lucha kweremere para nemekono yabo bone serikali ya county ya Kisii insio buraibo mugavana Paul Simba Arati nigo nyako bagwesokia na kubarete kira gita ndike nyako bakonya kulima epare yiga bono nigetikarite asa bamenyi benseme yiga kugenderera kubwatise serikali elinde bagenderera kunyora amagenderero ingo reporter Soko TV kurua agase kenyero kialigo Samita sub-county ya county ya Kisii ireteriane Wycliffe Orenge.
Tugutikana nayo yokoria gwikiranirwa kwa magendero tugusuka bosio asorobotironde abana imeyense nigo bono babwenderete komenya buya bose komenya buya na bono gotegererwa boigo kurindwa aya namangana korengana no mwaziri otenete ewizara ya mangana yegenka egekoro na boigo abana Mheshimiwa Hana Chiptumo ayo nigo bono achire maiga ye wizara iyo na babwatani bechidini kobekese yeri chiko yugo chako balinda bana
niga babwatani abo batebire abana bamenyete na baibuli babo nigo babwate chimbwa chingia asibono baruru kubulia guchia sa baibuli kulinda abana babo nalio barabe bagokonya egesaku ya ankyo muri keto Linet Nyambane na ikira na sinseme icho na bayo gutwaliganiria ayakobwatia.
Serikali gwetera ewizara ya mang'ana yegenka egekoro na abana n'ababwatani ao bechidini babekire esei yeri chikorinya eririgo chakorenda abana imeyense.
We have met today because the protection of our children is very key. The Constitution of Kenya, Article 53, the Children's Act 2022, the policies that we have in place, together with the teachings which are there in the churches, in the mosque, and in the temples, all agree on one thing: that children need to be protected. So the handbook that was launched today is supposed to guide the religious organizations on how they are going to teach the congregation, how they are going to teach the youth, how they are going to teach the children in their establishments on how to speak, how to report issues, and how to relate with one another.
I think it is a very important component of the society that we should engage, and we have been engaging, and thanks to the government of Kenya, who has always been on top of it and supporting UNICEF, and vice versa. UNICEF is also supporting, but I think we are all at the same wavelength, same agenda, to safeguard children from violence and protect them so that they survive, they grow well in their life.
Gukwana ase egeikaro gyakorekana imeo mucho Nairobi omwaziri we wizara ya mang'ana yegenka egekoro na abana omusubati Hana Cheptum nigatebire buna nigo omubaro bw'abana ore nusu yaba Kenya na igo nigere buya kurendwa aseboigo aerere obuya bw'abana gukinera ase eamate yabo.
Because the children of Kenya form 50% of the population of Kenya, and therefore that informs our decisions to speak together as a community, as the government, and as the civil society, and even as the religious organizations. Together we are saying our children must be safe. Our children need to live. Our children need to be educated. Our children need to be heard. 2022 clearly states that children need to be reintegrated back to their families. We have come up with a policy on how to reintegrate them back, and we are working together with the partners to establish mechanisms of how to have the children back, because children can only grow well in a family setup. Nobody can grow well outside a home, or even if you don't have parents, there are other people who can take care of you, because teachings can only be done, well when they are done back at home.
Nonya nabo nigo boigo bakwanire bitambukiro eserikali ebegete erikorenda abana bari bakuiborerwa inse y'echinse cheisiko anene ase chinse cha Bwarabu.
And so the government of Kenya, through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Diaspora Affairs, support the children who are born outside the country to be brought back to the to Kenya, because we understand, for example, in the Middle East, that these countries do not recognize children that are born in those countries, and so the government has a system in place where those mothers can report to the government through the offices that are established in those countries, and they will be facilitated to bring back the children. And we have been bringing children for our citizens who are based outside the country, and we reunite these children with their families.
Koripoteria Ensoko TV, Eretariane Linet Nyambane. Oskabosia sorobotiro ndeli tkolia lero nigo moraibwense aumirana nabarwaneli bekiama ya UDA ime yenyombe nene eyoborai moyigoyo baleta amo abarwaneli chiribu 12 chimi 354 nigo oikiranwa nabarai imeyense naboigo bekiama ya UDA egati yabo mokonyi bo morai wense Kithure Kindiki monene bo waziri Musalia Mudavadi no morai wekiama ya chama cha kazi Moses Kuria naboigo egati ya barai bande
okwana hekerekyo rutoni go bono aine kyanga habakorie gasi bari bonsi bakonyora engeria yabo inse yechiribwe 50 bari gochigwakana ebango erigo keya ebirengo byogokoka kubugima Moske Kindiki boigo nigo nera ribagana komotogia umuraibwense ase amagendro abeire kagokora se chinsemo au murikito Julia Hobuba agotomanyia se njiro bwikirana
ikibamba sana wapi tutamwawa UDA chama tawala kazi ni kazi na tamu ni mwekse
Ritkoria rero nige nyombe nene yoburai yaonchorana kobegeti gya siasa maiga yo moraibwense kumirana nabana siasa gwetana chiribu 12 bari bakorige biriko ao bege siasa gweterekia magia UDA chinkwana ne chimeme chintindi chege siasa nigo chiari byarire imeye nyumba ya State House kago kwana soma yegoywe omoraibwense William Ruto nigarere kana koptora chinyororo chyo muzigo morito waba Kenya bo gwakane bango oyo beiro kubanaria goika korabo kemebuko yabo yemisara.
Mumesikia profesa vile amesema bunge ikifunguliwa in the next week tunapeleka mapendekezo kule bunge, kila Mkenya ambaye mshahara yake ni 30,000 na kuja chini hakuna kulipa ushuru tena. That is number one. Because we have steadied the economy. Tunaelewana, my friends? We would not be able to reduce taxes if we had not set the foundation right. And that is why we are going to Parliament. We are now saying that any Kenyan who earns less than 30,000 shillings will not pay any taxes. Number two, we are saying any Kenyan who earns up to 50,000, we are reducing their taxes from 30% to 25%. 1.5 million working Kenyans will not pay any taxes. 500,000, another 500,000 working Kenyans will have their taxes reduced from 30% to 25%. That is how progressively we are going to make sure that we manage the cost of living so that the people at the bottom of the pyramid, we can be able to support them.
Omokonyi bwo maraibu ense Profesa Kithure Kindiki na motogeruta sega siengia anene mona sensemo ya masomo asoko barika barimu na boigo kwagache birasi bya skuru boigo na moko bakoruto asoko rusie banga saba Kenya.
William Ruto has already employed 100,000. We are remaining with 16,000. Na hii mwaka tunamalizana na hiyo commitment. Rais Ruto ni fire si fire. President Ruto's administration has also built 23,000 classrooms. Is in the process of building 1,600 laboratories. This February, tunaweka sheria bunge, tukiongozwa na William Ruto, any Kenyan earning below 30,000 will not pay tax. Ni fire si fire. Ni fire si fire. Wale watu ya Zakayo wamezama wajazama. Watu ya Zakayo wamezama.
Omonyakero gobwe kiama gia UDA omugabana bwe county ya Embu Cecily Mbarire nigagokera saba na siasa gwetana chiribu 10 gochore kiama ekio.
But I'm happy to report to you, Your Excellency, that today we have 149 aspirants for the governor's seat. We have 279 senators, aspirants for senatorial seats. We have 323 aspirants for women representatives. We have 1,372 aspirants for the MP seat. And we have 10,230 aspirants for MCA seats.
Julia Obuba,
Harambe!
Ensoko TV.
Batigana na yo mwancho mwaligereria na gosuka bosio habo visa korase kyombegete ne tawacholi ne chimbebe IEBC ni golit kolia rero batwara amasabo abene na barai ibechikanisa ilikonekia obokoleri obya
Bakamishona bo niko bono baesokire na kwegerera egetambokero kyabo na boigo emiroberio iri bagenderate kubeka yego cyakwane kyabuna bachi kwarigania obochori bore bo bwene no bobwasi oku omwako gocha.
If you look at elections in Kenya, everything is said to be going very well, except when we start now processing results. As we speak now, there are people who have gone to court to say that results will be final at the constituency level. We know results are final at the polling station. That debate will become live, and we must discuss it and know which is the result path and how do we process the result in Kenya differently. First of all, for efficiency and timeliness and being very quick, and also to result processing is concerned. So this participate in that debate. Of course, the issue of communication and media briefing, ensuring that we are regularly briefing you on what is happening around. Post-election accountability, result declaration, dispute resolution. I've talked about edit and scrutiny, which is allowed, and of course, judicial redress. We expect that by October 2026, when the election period is being declared, we have a clear path of result, transmission, declaration, and how it will happen. Currently, internally, we have a task force that is looking at resource processing, and we expect that report will come out, and the Director of Commission is here. I know he's following up on that. I think you go ahead, because I want to go very fast. Now, collaboration with faith actors, where do we expect to come in? First of all, both education and awareness, as Chairman has mentioned. Please disseminate accurate and personal information, and you counter misinformation. Yeah, if you get anything and you are not sure about it, please verify. We operate a local information, and therefore any verification can be done. So I request that let all of us verify information before it is gone out of proportion. In this era of AI, we you are going to see voices that look like Steve is the chairman who has spoken. Before you start sharing, please verify whether is there the truth. They are going to caricature chairperson and they are going to caricature all of us, and we shall be said to have said something. Please, let's verify information in the era of AI. We expect that you shall help us in peace building and social cohesion. This requires that we are not partisan as religious leaders. Please, this time, and I'm saying nothing. I'm not saying anything. But this time, let not be partisan. Let's focus. We have a nation to protect, and all of us, we are responsible for a nation.
Wanche muriyeria kurwa soroboti uruni otoikira omwelio bukumurikira amangana maya ase litukeli galia rero
twakira mbia muna soko sangana intwe koruto wachagete goika boniga baroniga tia bange banyara ko baba kutubwatia nara watabaga tukwani mama mwabo asirita Josephine Kwamboka umocha no mocha koroye villa abo babiri bakubwatira negati ya bange nyuranga chujumbere ne kisimini cyarenge kinyinge korende ntonyo ritiba kanonya semeri ngana rieke moya bosanga nayo mwanchu murigera kinto batebanga ejumatano yeiki enya bose bateba omukubyo gocha kiko batogo sanga na ekorenda seboniga kurwa senche Clinton ndigi gukuganira gendera gutwara uburigerio bya bemeroberia gendera sembeo yensoko TV nabo gutwara ubutkobi
na nchengoro kwa Kerubo Frida haseli bagali abali atogwatira nako ene kebona chibi chanili ogire wikira senchera ya bene Barnabas Sondari Brena Chaka nabo igo Misef okuganilia ubutko borobu ya kegima.